Everybody has a certain amount of respect and admiration for a person that keeps their word. There's trust, reliability, accountability. Those are good things. That's a strong character. I guess, really, if you don't have your word, what do you have? Back in my active addiction, I did not have that quality. I was often late, never showed up, made promises I wasn't going to keep or had no intention of following through on. Thus, my social credit score was absolutely shit. Not reliable, not counted upon, and that not only to other people, but to myself. Well, that's a crappy feeling. I don't know. That Ryan J guy, he said he was going to do it, but he doesn't have a very good track record, so I don't know if we can count on him. That is horseshit. Now, in my recovery, man, and building up my character and my credit score, being accountable to myself and accountable to others when I say I'm going to do something, holy cow, I'm a little bit way too in now, way too in it to win it, which isn't bad. And recognizing that and building up my social credit score is a pretty good feeling. Being accountable to others, knowing that and seeing that, because it takes time, because I've burnt a lot of people in the past, and seeing it now is a good, fulfilling feeling that time, patience, perseverance, and practice with this whole recovery thing is making a difference for others. Finally, I'm somebody that can be counted upon and even called upon when, well, now things are different. When I say I'm going to do something, hot damn it, it's done.